Good evening friends, this is Pradeep Kumar. Today I am going to tell you about a post on how to reduce background noise while recording in Linux. So in Windows there are so many ways, but in Linux there are some ways wherein you can able to reduce the background noise while recording. So this video also demonstrates that. So this video you can listen to this video. You can check how the noise is been reduced. Already there are so many things are running in the background, like a fan is rotating now, so it's simply removing that. So one example here is I have a file called as fix microphone background -noise.sh file. So this file is available in a website, so I do not know which website is that. So anyway, I'll share this code in the comment section. You can able to, in the explanation section, you can able to download this shell file. What it does is, I just open this file. So this is the content of this file: sudo cp, so default.pa, and is moved to pa.back, and end of tab, and load module. The module is been loaded, and echo sync, and using this command we can able to reduce the background noise. So how to do that? So when this file was downloaded, it was, the file permission was like this. I will show you. The file permission was like this. So this is a file permission. This is actually a shell file, so you need to run this shell file to reduce the background noise. Since I already applied and there is no background noise now, anyway I just give again another time I will be doing it. So this file has to be run with a super user permission. There is a super user permission, sudo permission you have to run. So whenever you use /fix, the file is not coming, so I need to set the permission for this file. So chmod change mod 777 fix microphone -background -noise.sh. So once you have done this, when you check it now, this file becomes green color. So that means it has now execution permission. I need to run this file, or I need to execute this file. So what do I do is sudo /. Sudo is nothing but super user that you run with administrative user. / is the current directory. The file name is fix microphone -background -noise.sh. It asks for a password. Since I go with super user, it will ask for the administrative password. Sorry, I made it wrong. Yes, done. So no errors, nothing. So that indicates that this file have reduced the background noise according to the script given in the file. So that's it. So you can easily listen to a video that has a background noise is removed. You can record screenshot or video, or we can say screencast, with the above shell file. Running fast. Anyway, I'll just share this shell file again here for the betterment of, for the understanding. So what do I do is, so this is the file. So this is the file that is shared. So thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/ts Pradeep Kumar. Thank you very much.